Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem Raphael, the Angry One. 4 plushies from Playmate Toys back. Collect them all. Leonardo, Raphael, what you got? Donatello, Michelangelo, Splinter, Rocksteady, Bebop, Superfly, Leatherhead. Let's open it up.
Is this what happened? Is this what marriage to the companies? Everybody's married, and I want us to be honest and trusting. And I hope those feelings will only get stronger the longer we're together. Sorry, I want to get married because I know how great it can be. Maybe it isn't easy, but I think it's worth going for.
Here's Raphael with his sword, and whatever this is, you can move his arms, you can turn his head, and you can move his legs.
The Frontier Girl cookie wars are over. I'm sure she won't beat you up this time.
Now, this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles toy isn't probably the coolest thing ever. That's what it is. Now, I haven't seen the movie. If I know, this shell is supposed to be a nice looking shell. Now, this is one of the coolest toy in the world. If I know other pieces, if I know other figures that has more details, and that's what it is. Thanks for watching a box of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem Raphael, the Angry One figure. Bye.